Morning students, welcome to chemistry online classes. So today we are going to discuss some atomic numbers and their weights. After that we are going to discuss demerits of Rutherford atomic model. Demerits of Rutherford atomic model. First you have to know some atomic numbers and their atomic weights and their symbols. This is a compulsory, everyone should learn. So first one, here I am taking serial number. Next name of atom. Serial number is nothing but atomic number. First one I am taking atomic number. This is Z. Then name of the atom. This is next atom mass number A. Next symbol. So we are going to give symbol. So this is the table we are going to find, we are going to make. So first 20 atomic numbers and atomic weights you have to learn, because total we have 118 atoms. So learning about 118 atoms is very difficult for you, because you came from the SSC. So step by step we will learn total 118 atoms. So in this class we are going to discuss first 20 atomic numbers and their atomic weights. So this is the table we are going to fill. Atomic number, next name of the atom, next mass number, next symbol. Okay, atomic number 1. Name of the atom hydrogen. Name of the atom hydrogen. Mass number 1. Symbol 1H1. Symbol 1H1. Okay, so next atomic number 2. Name of the atom helium. Name of the atom helium. Mass number 4. Then symbol He24. Okay, then atomic number 3. Lithium. Mass number 7. Symbol lithium 37. Okay, next atomic number 4. Beryllium. Mass number 9. Symbol Be411. Be411. Then atomic number 5. So boron. Mass number 11. Symbol boron 5 11, sorry, 9. Here we have to write 9. Then it is nothing but a 5, 11. Then atomic number 6. So 6 means carbon, not a bourbon, that is a biscuit. This is a atom. Mass number 12. Symbol C, 612. C, 612. Okay. Then 7, nitrogen. Nitrogen. Atomic number 7, mass number is 14, and symbol is nitrogen 714. Nitrogen 714. Then atomic number 8, oxygen. What is the atom? Oxygen. Mass number 16. Symbol oxygen 8 and 16. Okay. So 8 atoms. Okay. This is the table we have to. This is the table you have to perfect. You have to get perfectness. Atomic number Z, name of the atom. Next, so mass number. Next, symbol. Okay. So this is the way. Next. Next, atomic number 9. Name of the atom Fluorine. Fluorine. Mass number 19. Then we may write fluorine 9, 19. 9, 19. Okay. Then atomic number 10, neon. Atomic mass number 20. Then neon 10, 20. Then atomic number 11, sodium. Its chemical name is sodium. But Latin name is natrium. 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 Okay. On chemical name we may give symbol Na. It is its a symbol Na 1123. Then 12, magnesium. magnesium. Mass number is 24. Its symbol is magnesium 12 24. Then 13, aluminium. 13, aluminium. Then mass number 27, Al 13 27. Next 14, silicone. silicone, silicone. Next mass number 28, symbol Si 14 28. Next 15, phosphorus. So 31. So phosphorus 15 31. Next atomic number 16, sulfur. Sulfur, mass number 32, symbol sulfur 1632. This is the way we may write atomic numbers and their atomic weights. Okay, arranging. Then okay. Then 17, name of the atom chlorine. Mass number 35.5, symbol Cl 17 35.5. 18, argon. Argon, argon, mass number 40, argon 1840. Then 19, potassium. Its Latin name is Kalium. So its mass number is 39. Then its symbol is K 1939. Then 20, calcium. 40, its symbol is Ca 2040. You must learn these atomic numbers and atomic weights. Total we have 118 elements, but you have to learn about first 20 atomic numbers and their atomic weights. First 20 atomic numbers and their atomic weights. Okay. Then this is about 20 atomic numbers and atomic weights. Next, we have to know ion. We have to know ion. Ion means specific charge possessed by the atom. Specific charge possessed, POSSED, possessed by the atom. Specific charge POSSED possessed by the atom is called ion. Ions are two types. The first one is cation. First one is nothing but cation. So how it is formed means due to loss of electrons. Cation is formed by due to loss of electrons. So next example, Na plus Mg plus 2. Next Al plus 3, like this. Next you have to know ion. Ion is found by the due to gaining of electrons. See, due to gaining of electrons. Due to gaining of electrons, ion are formed. So example, Cl minus, F minus, O minus 2, like this. O minus 2, like this. These are ions. These are ions. Okay. Right. So what is ion means a specific charge possessed by the atom is called ion. Ions are two types, cation and anion. Cation is nothing but due to loss of electrons. Cations are formed. Na plus means due to loss of 1 electron. Mg plus 2 means due to loss of 2 electrons. Al plus 3 means due to loss of 3 electrons. And then anions are formed due to gaining of electrons. So example, Cl minus due to gaining of 1 electron, F minus due to gaining of 1 electron, oxygen minus 2 due to gaining of 2 electrons. This is cation and anion. What I mean to say, ions having number of electrons is not equal to protons. Ions having number of electrons is not equal to protons, either higher or lower. Atoms having number of electrons is equal to number of protons. Atoms having number of electrons is equal to number of protons. Ions does not having number of electrons is equal to number of protons. Okay, this is the way. Next, demerits of Rutherford atomic model. Next, demerits of Rutherford atomic model. So, demerits of Rutherford atomic model. All these are postulates we are discussing about Rutherford atomic model, but some demerits are present. What are the demerits means? First one, according to Rutherford, electrons revolve around the nucleus in circular path. See, when electron revolving means accelerated particle, so revolving means after some time it will be fell into the nucleus. Total atom is a collapse, but it is not happening. Atom is very stable. So if you ask this question to Rutherford, why atom is stable, means he could not explain the stability of atom. That is demerit of Rutherford atomic model. It could not explain the stability of an atom. It could not explain the stability of an atom. So next demerit is nothing but he said that electrons are revolve around the nucleus in circular path, but he could not given distribution of electrons around the atom. He could not explain distribution of electrons around the atom. Suppose you are in home. Where you are in home? In kitchen, in washroom, in bedroom, in hall. So that is exact position of electron. That is a distribution of electrons around the atom. Means it could not explain distribution of electron around the nucleus. It could not explain the distribution of electrons. It could not explain distribution of electrons around the nucleus. Next, one more point. It could not explain electronic structure, means where the position of the electron around the nucleus. It could not explain, means it could not explain electronic structure. Explain electronic structure. It could not explain electronic structure of an atom. Okay, so it could not explain the stability of the atom. Next, it could not explain the distribution of electrons, and it could not explain the electronic structure of an atom. It is briefly about Rutherford atomic model. It is briefly about Rutherford atomic model. So these are the demerits. After discussion of demerits, we have to discuss wave nature of electromagnetic radiation. Wave nature of electromagnetic radiation. You have to know what is electromagnetic radiation, what is its nature. Now we are going to discuss. Next, wave nature, wave nature of wave nature of electromagnetic radiation. Wave nature of electromagnetic radiation. So here electromagnetic radiation is nothing but which is the combination of electric and magnetic fields. Radiation is nothing but light. So now we are going to discuss wave nature of electromagnetic radiation. The man Maxwell given a comprehensive explanation about electromagnetic radiation. Who explains this? Maxwell. Maxwell given a comprehensive explanation about electromagnetic radiation. Maxwell given a comprehensive explanation about electromagnetic radiation. According to Maxwell, oscillating charged particle produces electric and magnetic fields. Oscillating charged particle produces electric and magnetic fields. Here you have to know what is electromagnetic radiation means. Light. If you switch on the light, then within fraction of seconds the room is filled with light. That is how travels light from there to there. That is nothing but in wave motion. Maxwell explained that. So here light travels from one place to another place means oscillating charged particles like electrons moving with help of electric and magnetic fields. The explanation was given by Maxwell. So here it is a axis I am taking, and it is a one more axis I am taking. It is a z axis. It is a propagation of a wave. Propagation of a wave means wave is propagation in this direction. Propagation of a wave. Okay. So when the wave is propagated means it having two fields, electric and magnetic fields, which are perpendicular to each other. First I am going to draw electric field. Like this. It is a electric field. It is electric field. Next, see one more. One more plane I am taking. So this is a Z na, it is a X. One more plane I am taking. It is nothing but a Y. It is nothing but Y. So on this Y It is electric field. Now magnetic field is propagated like this. Like this means it is electric field, it is a magnetic field. It is a magnetic field. So in this direction wave is propagated, in this direction magnetic field is propagated, and in this direction electric field is propagated. What I mean to say, charged particle oscillating by electric and magnetic fields. Charged particle oscillating by electric and magnetic fields. So means light is propagated in three directions. Z is one direction, X is one direction, Y is one more direction. So according to Maxwell, charged oscillating charged particle means charged particle oscillating by electric and magnetic fields. Second point, electric and magnetic fields which are perpendicular to each other. See, there is no medium is required for the propagation of electromagnetic radiation. There is no medium is required for the propagation of electromagnetic radiation. This is Maxwell given. This brief explanation was given by Maxwell. Due to this explanation, we may consider light have wave nature. So you are writing some conclusions. Charged particle oscillating by electric and magnetic fields. Charged particle oscillating by electric and magnetic fields. Charged particle oscillating by electric and magnetic fields according to Maxwell. Next conclusion, electric and magnetic fields are perpendicular to each other. Electric and magnetic fields are perpendicular to